Stocks took a tumble today, marking one of the toughest days for Wall Street this year. With the Federal Reserve's latest announcement, investors are left wondering, what's next for the economy? Let's break down today's market plunge and what it means for you. Quote, today, the S&P 500 dropped 178 points, or 3%, marking a significant pullback from its all-time high just weeks ago. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 1,123 points, or 2.6%, while the Nasdaq Composite tumbled 3.6%. What caused this sharp decline? The Federal Reserve announced its third rate cut of the year, bringing its benchmark interest rate to a range of 4.25% to 4.50%. While Wall Street typically cheers lower interest rates, investors were rattled by the Fed's reduced expectations for cuts in 2025. Instead of the previously anticipated 4 cuts, the Fed now forecasts only 2 for 2025, citing strong job market performance and sticky inflation. Jerome Powell, Fed Chair, described the decision as a cautious approach in uncertain economic conditions. He likened it to driving on a foggy night, a metaphor for navigating a complex economy with potential risks like rising inflation and a new administration's policies. Treasury yields spiked following the announcement, with the 10-year yield rising to 4.51%. This put pressure on stocks, especially small-cap companies that heavily rely on borrowing for growth. The Russell 2000 index plunged 4%, highlighting the struggles of smaller businesses in a higher-rate environment. Wall Street giants also faced setbacks. Nvidia, which had been a market leader, slipped 1%, extending its recent downward trend. Even General Mills, despite reporting strong profits, fell 3.1% after announcing plans to ramp up investments in its brands. As Jeff Buckbinder, chief equity strategist at LPL Financial, noted, stretched sentiment and positioning left stocks vulnerable to a sell-off. Today's events underscore the volatility that can arise when inflation expectations and Fed decisions collide. With uncertainty around interest rates and inflation dominating the narrative, the markets are bracing for what's to come in 2025. Will the Fed's cautious approach stabilize the economy, or will unexpected challenges emerge? Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Quote,